Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got a box from Japan, and it's a big one. This is a box from Zenpop, and Zenpop is a subscription service, so yeah, they send me sample boxes and I show you what's inside, so let's have a look. Alrighty. So the first thing you see when you crack open one of these boxes is a nice thank you note. No, thank you! And then here is your always extremely valuable and useful information sheet. It has information, the title, a little blurb about it, and information about cooking, what's in it, things like that, whether it has pork, chicken, all those kind of things. And here's the other side. And this month you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the June 2019 Umami pack. So I'll do what I usually do. I just read a little bit off of here, give you some background on what each one is. This one here is Toriton Shoyu Ramen by David. Who's David? David Ramen Restaurant is a famous ramen joint based in Shinagawa, Tokyo. Oh! It has spread its popularity to Shanghai, Macau, and Ho Chi Minh City too. Next off, we have some fine dining. We have Dining Shoyu Wonton Men. The simple shoyu wonton noodle is chicken and vegetable based broth infused with a taste of ginger to give you clear and smooth aftertaste. Next we have Kita Kyushu Moji Harbor Cheese Curry Ramen. Let us introduce you to this brand new breakthrough ramen. Yaki Curry, grilled curry, is Moji Harbor in Fukuoka Prefecture, but their beloved local dish enjoyed for over 60 years. Alright, next we have Hayashi Chuka Goma Dare. Have you tried chilled ramen noodles before? Since it has started to be warmer here in Japan, we want you to taste what we enjoy during this time of year. The refreshing cold noodle offers you an exquisite balance of sesame oil and kneaded sesame into your mouth. And next we have a new touch variety. This is Natsukashi no Yasai Tanmen. Tanmen is enjoyed especially in the Kanto region of Japan, and it is salty chicken broth ramen with vegetables. Natsukashi roughly means nostalgic, so this is Tanmen to cherish your first ever chicken broth salty ramen. Alright, now we have Niboshi Shoyu Ramen by David. Another version of ramen from the unique Tokyo shop David. This one is a rich shoyu ramen that is only available in their main shop. Lucky you. This version too uses a chicken base but has added umami by the use of niboshi, dried sardine, which really makes this one divine. Alright, and to round things off, and these are amazing, this is a Nissan Rao Sibura Koku Shoyu Ramen, and I'm like really stoked on this. I haven't tried this one, so yeah, let's see what they have to say. This is a staple cup noodle enjoyed by men and women of all ages. Shoyu with the right amount of fat makes this noodle so special. It is rich but not too oily, but you can taste the dashi in it. Also, the premium chashu pork included in Rao is what makes a big difference with other noodles out there. So try it and see for yourself. Alright, so in the June 2019 Umami pack from Zenpop.jp, you get Raw, a little something from David, cheese curry, 1 bowl of fine dining, chicken tanmen, cold noodles, another little something from Mr. David, a thank you note, and your information leaflet. Alright, so if you want to get yourself one of these Zenpop boxes, shoot on over to www.zenpop.jp. And while you're there and while you're ordering, use the coupon code for a discount. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.